Installing AL language extension in Visual Studio Code. In this lesson, I will guide you through installing AL application language support in Visual Studio Code, which is essential for developing applications for Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. There are two ways to install AL language extension. Let's start with the method 1, installing via the extension tab. Go to the extension tab in the Visual Studio Code and type AL language in the search box. This will actually perform a search in a Visual Studio Marketplace. Now, select the AL language extension from the search results and click the Install button. After installation, you may need to reload Visual Studio Code to activate the extension. Let's look into the second method, installing via a VSIX file. Another way to install the AL language extension is by using a VSIX file, which you can download if you need a specific version. So, open your browser and search for Download AL language extension. Visit the Visual Studio Marketplace and navigate to the AL language extension page. Here you can download the latest or a previous version by clicking Version History and selecting the desired version. Once the file has been downloaded, install the VSIX file. Go back to Visual Studio Code and open the Extensions tab. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the Extensions tab. Choose Install from VSIX and select the downloaded file to install the extension. After installation, Visual Studio Code will be ready for creating Business Central extensions. Once the AL language support extension has been installed, then you can begin building your Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central extensions. In the upcoming lessons, we will dive deeper into the development process.